What's up everyone? Welcome back for another video update on my personal finance web app, Clanga. This week we'll be taking things to the next level with Firebase integration, starting with authentication. Firebase Authentication is a powerful tool that simplifies secure user login and sign up. We'll explore how it streamlines the user experience with options like Google, Facebook, and email login. And I'll even show you how to set it up with just a few clicks. After we dive into these exciting updates, we'll take a sneak peek at what's coming down the pipeline. So let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at the new landing page. Now that I've added authentication to the app, there needs to be a landing page for users that aren't logged in yet. This page features a cool banner image up top, which I'm really pleased with how it came out, but I do plan on making some slight adjustments to the margins on each side to make it better suited for mobile layouts. Additionally, I plan to add an action button or two below the text to enrich the experience. Below that, I've added a simple headline to grab the user's attention, and below that, I'm leveraging matte cards to advertise some of the app's features. Each card contains an image and some text. I've also styled the cards to remove the elevation so that we don't see the border. Finally, I've alternated the sides the images and the text are on to create a better visual effect when you scroll down. I'll continue to enhance this page in the future by adding more features to the list and creating a footer at the bottom with important information and links. Now let's check out the sign up and sign in flow. I've upgraded the toolbar at the top to dynamically display buttons based on if a user is logged in or not. If there isn't a user currently logged in, we see the sign up and sign in buttons. Currently, I've only enabled the Google account provider in Firebase, so these buttons will appear to do the same thing to the user. In the future, I plan to enable email password sign up, which would display different pop-ups for each button. Once we click either button, the Google account sign in pop-up will appear. If this is a first-time user, it will create a new user in the backend. Otherwise, it will just log them in. Once the user is logged in, the display changes. The toolbar now displays the buttons relevant to an existing user, and the main view appears with the side nav. Now, here are the steps to configure authentication for your project in the Firebase console. Once you've created a project, navigate to the authentication screen in the side nav of the console. Now, you just need to select Get Started. This will add authentication to your project, and you'll now be able to configure it. Click on the Sign In Method tab at the top to select the options for your app. As you can see, there are a number of options. Select the ones you want and you are ready to start adding users. Now let's take a quick look at what I'll be working on next. I'll begin integrating with Firestore, which is a NoSQL document database that lets you easily store, sync, and query data. It is easy to plug in to mobile or web applications with just a few simple steps. I'll need to create several different collections to hold different user data, such as budgets, goals, and transactions. I'll start with creating a collection and integrating with budgets. Once integration is complete, users will be able to create new budgets or view and edit existing ones. Once I complete integration for budgets, I will take on the goals integration. This will also allow users to create goals and view and edit existing ones. After these are complete, I will tackle the transactions. The transactions will require a bit more attention because the data will come from different banks and look different. Additionally, we want to have the ability to edit the transactions and still have the ability to reference the original transactions. So stay tuned for the implementation details in a later video. Alright everyone, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for tagging along for this week's update. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more updates on Clanga. And let me know in the comments what features you'd like to see next or any questions you might have. See you next time.